Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set data limit on iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and enable your low data mode. In order to do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings. Once you've done that, you want to go into your mobile data and cellular right over here. And this is where you can simply go ahead and turn off a couple of mobile data for secondary usages, like a couple of applications that you might not want it here. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and go to your battery and literally turn on your power mode or low power mode, which is also going to go ahead and help with that because it is not going to allow any applications to run on the background. So if none of it works, then you can also simply go ahead and search for cellular data option right over here. But if you don't find the settings because of the new updates, then you might want to simply go ahead and head into your general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset, tap on reset and reset network settings, which will go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.